and welcome back to my channel. It's been a while, I think, but thank you for joining me again on another episode, another video. I feel like summer has just made me really drag in terms of video posting and all of that, but don't worry, kids are back in school and I'm back on track. In this video, we decided to make cupcakes for the first time ever with my kids during the holiday. It was fun, so you might have to watch to the end to see if it was a pass or a fail, but I think it was a pass. But judge by yourself. How was summer for you, by the way? It was fun for us. It went by so quickly. Wow, I really can't believe it. But enjoy this episode and let me know what you think. Are you a pastry person or you're a culinary person or a food person? Let me know. First of all, doing anything with kids is an extreme sport. It requires patience. But after many centuries, after all the shouting, oh, it's not supposed to be 1 cup, it's half cup. Oh, why did you put too much? Why is it sprinkled? We made it. We made it, and our cupcake looks ready. We allowed it to cool for a while, and then it looks ready, really nice. I mean, for a first timer, we didn't do too bad. It wasn't too bad. It was nice. So you could just take a piece from the tray and pass it on to someone else. But it was really good. It was yum. Even though I think we're looking for vanilla syrup, but we didn't find, and we used caramel instead, and it was really also good. I mean, nothing is really that hard if you don't try. For the longest time, I thought, oh my god, it's so hard to make a cake, but we never actually tried it. I mean, someone once said that you only learn to swim by getting into the pool. You don't learn to swim by just watching other people. So us trying it just made me think, okay, it's not too bad, and we really enjoyed it. So here we are eating the label, the harvest of our all our efforts. We're just trying to pipe. All of the products we got were from Tesco, so it wasn't anything out of the ordinary. Just go to the pastry or bakery section of every store and you find it there. But yes, the cake turned out good. We put some sprinkle on it. I mean, the sprinkle was just doing somehow, but not the sprinkle, the buttercream, I don't know, but so the icing, it was just doing somehow. But anyway, here you have it. We made our cake, our first ever cake, and it was nice. It was really yummy. We loved it. Will I try this again with kids? I don't know, but it's a memory for them. That it's a record that we made cake together. And I feel like from now on I'll just be back to regular programming of our usual conversations that we have, more sit down sections or sessions rather. And yeah, I'll see you on the next video, and bye everyone. Again, take one cake, enjoy.